Hi, this is ZTE Blade A73 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first open the settings app and then tap the Wi-Fi section. To activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off, we should click here to the swatcher. After the activating of the Wi-Fi option, you'll see here all of the available networks. Select one from the networks and enter the password. Then just tap to connect, wait a second, and now we could see that our device successfully connected to this network. So also we got one more way how we could do that. Just open the control panel and find here the Wi-Fi icon. To activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off, you should click to this icon, and to launch full Wi-Fi settings, hold it for a while, and after that you could use one from the networks, enter the password and tap to connect. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.